Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating book to discuss, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a**ck, by Mark Manson. This book has taken the world by storm with its unconventional approach to self-help and personal growth. So, let's dive right into it. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the book cover. As you can see, it's a bold and attention-grabbing title, and that sets the tone for what's inside. Now, let's explore the key ideas and concepts in The Subtle Art of Not Giving a**ck. Chapter 1. Don't try. The first chapter emphasizes the importance of embracing failure and the limitations of our existence. Manson encourages readers to stop chasing after happiness and success and instead focus on accepting the inevitable challenges and setbacks that life throws at us. By accepting our flaws and limitations, we can find a sense of purpose and live a more authentic life. Chapter 2. Happiness is a problem. In this chapter, Manson challenges the conventional notion of happiness. He argues that happiness is not a constant state to be achieved but rather a fleeting emotion that arises from solving problems. Instead of seeking continuous happiness, he suggests identifying and prioritizing the problems that truly matter to us, as they can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Chapter 3. You are not special here. Manson delves into the concept of entitlement and how it affects our perceptions of ourselves and the world around us. He urges readers to let go of their need for constant validation and acceptance, recognizing that they are not inherently special or unique. By embracing our ordinary existence, we can focus on what truly matters and avoid unnecessary suffering. Chapter 4. The value of suffering. In this thought-provoking chapter, Manson challenges our aversion to suffering and explores how it can actually be beneficial. He argues that suffering is an essential part of life and can teach us valuable lessons, leading to personal growth and resilience. By choosing what we care about and accepting the inevitable pain that comes with it, we can find a deeper sense of fulfillment. Chapter 5. You are always choosing. Manson discusses personal responsibility in this chapter, highlighting that we have control over how we respond to the circumstances and events in our lives. He encourages readers to take ownership of their choices and not fall into the trap of blaming external factors for their problems. By acknowledging our power to choose, we can shape our lives and find meaning in even the most challenging situations. Chapter 6. You're wrong about everything, but so am I. This chapter challenges our beliefs and biases, emphasizing the importance of questioning our own perspectives. Manson highlights that our views and opinions are often flawed, and it's essential to be open to different perspectives and willing to change our minds. By embracing humility and accepting that we don't have all the answers, we can foster personal growth and deeper connections with others. Chapter 7. Failure is the way forward. Manson explores the fear of failure in this chapter and encourages readers to reframe their relationship with it. He argues that failure is an inevitable part of any worthwhile pursuit and that success often stems from multiple failures. By embracing failure as a learning opportunity and being willing to take risks, we can overcome our fear and unlock our true potential. Chapter 8. The importance of saying no. In the final chapter, Manson discusses the power of saying no and setting healthy boundaries. He emphasizes that our time and energy are limited resources, and it's crucial to prioritize and allocate them wisely. By learning to say no to things that don't align with our values or goals, we can create more space for the things that truly matter to us. Manson highlights the importance of setting boundaries to protect our well-being and avoid being overwhelmed or taken advantage of. Overall message and takeaways throughout The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F***ck, Mark Manson delivers a refreshing and blunt perspective on personal growth and happiness. He challenges societal norms and encourages readers to let go of external expectations, embrace their imperfections, and focus on what truly matters. Here are some key takeaways from the book. Embrace failure and view it as a stepping stone to success and personal growth. Happiness is not a constant state, but a byproduct of solving meaningful problems. Let go of the need for constant validation and acceptance. Embrace your ordinary existence. Suffering is an inevitable part of life, but it can lead to resilience and personal development. Take responsibility for your choices and focus on what you can control. Be open-minded and willing to question your beliefs and biases. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and don't let fear hold you back. Set healthy boundaries and learn to say no to things that don't align with your values or goals. Remember, the key message of The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F***ck is not about disregarding everything or being indifferent. It's about choosing what truly matters to you and allocating your time and energy accordingly. By letting go of external expectations and embracing a more authentic and purposeful life, you can find true fulfillment. I hope you found this overview of The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F***ck helpful and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more book reviews and personal development content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember to focus on what truly matters and not give a F***ck about the rest. Take care and happy reading.